Hello, Tim Morset, and welcome to 27 La Perla. This property is located in Foothill Ranch, a great hillside community. It's a lovely home, new paint, new carpet, new flooring. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and if you're looking for a resort-style backyard that you can enjoy from years to come, this is a property for you, featuring a pool, a spa, barbecue, a pagoda, and if you like sunset views, this property has it. Let's go ahead inside and look at the things I like about this home. As you enter the home, you'll immediately notice the 2-story ceilings and the light airiness of the living room because of the large windows that surround this property. The sellers have just added new luxury flooring and brand new carpeting, along with interior paint and exterior paint. Upgraded baseboards, brand new plantation shutters, wainscoting, and then we make a transition from the living room into the family room, which is spacious. A part of the house is the beautiful remodeled kitchen with gorgeous granite countertops, new wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a nice center island, and it overlooks the beautiful backyard that is the focal point of the property. The formal dining room is private, accented with wainscoting, plantation shutters. Also located downstairs is a separate laundry room and an upgraded powder room. So many Irvine buyers are expanding their search to Foothill Ranch because of the great values and community. We're close to schools, shopping, and we're surrounded by wilderness, and so there's lots of mountain biking and hiking trails. You're gonna love this area. Welcome to the spacious primary suite, featuring a double door entry, large volume ceilings, loads of windows, and a remodeled bathroom featuring dual vanities, a Roman soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. It's a fantastic entertainer's backyard. Look at the pool, the barbecue, the sunset views, sitting around the fire pit in the evening. Thank you for joining us on this property tour. My name is Tim Morset. I know you're going to love this property. Looking forward to seeing you soon.